couple of days before, there was a news of iQOO 12 series launching in China on November 7th. Now the company is in teaser mode. The iQOO product manager just outed a few images displaying the upcoming BMW M Sport edition of iQOO 12 Pro. Previously leaked designs as the actual design of the phone. There is no vertical strip even in the BMW M edition. There's a subtle engraving on the BMW M colors on the side. The camera island is huge with a unique spherical camera and its advertised 100x maximum zoom, as you can see. There's a rumored 64 megapixel 70 mm f2.57 periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom with the OmniVision OV64B sensor. The main sensor said to be an OmniVision OV50H boasting of 1.68 aperture. The third cell is a ISOCELL GN1 15mm ultra wide according to Digital Chat Station. It will have a 2K screen with 144Hz refresh rate, 8 Gen 3 on the helm, and 5100 mAh battery with battery support, with charging support up to 120 watts and 50 watts wireless charging.